My name's Ashley. I am a digital marketer with dailywealthonline.com, where I show you how to learn about digital marketing, take your own personal digital product, actually use it with your own business, and make daily pay and have consistent income. So I just wanted to share some exciting news about finding a domain. A domain is like having digital real estate. Now, I will tell you a little bit about me. I have so many domains because over the years I've thought about all these clever ideas, and I thought, man, somebody eventually is going to be able to make money on these domains or pay me for them, right? So let me share with you, if you're getting started and you just have this thought one day where you're like, that's a brilliant domain, I want to own it. So here's what you do. You simply go to GoDaddy.com. Now, GoDaddy.com is a domain provider. So as you see here, they give you an opportunity to type in the domain that you're looking for. So let's use this for instance. Let's use work 2 hours a day.com and see if that's available. Oh, bummer. It's not. Work2hoursadaday.com is available for $119. That broker service fees means that it's for sale and you can buy it if you want it that bad. But then you see over here that GoDaddy also offers you a suggestion. Well, AI is becoming really popular, so why not work2hoursadaday.ai? Now you can buy that one and make it yours for $54. Okay, let's try another one. How about dailypay.com? Dadgummit. Again, look at that, $119, but it is available. You just have to pay a broker fee. Typically, a domain only runs about $2 to $11. Now, there's plans that you can buy it for annually, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. If you know that you want it for life, I think the best suggestion is to go ahead and get it for the max years possible up front, because you do get a discount. And oh, by the way, if you're a Rukatan member, you get even more bonus. And so if you want the bonus and the codes to get into GoDaddy and go buy your first domain for a discounted price, make sure you go to the description below, check out the promo, use that, and at least take advantage of getting a domain for 99 cents. Okay, so going back to where we're at, dailypay.cc. That's not quite common. In my eyes, I think it's best to always go with a .com, even though .bank, .shop, .ai, are things, and .io are coming into the marketplace, but I think the .com is probably where you want to hang out in. Okay, let's try one more. How about workfromhome.com? Dadgummit, another one, work from home care. Now you see over here, they suggested, hey, work from home's not available, but workfromhomecare.com is. And then work from home is available over here. But again, it's at that suggested broker fee, which means it's available. It's just a matter of how bad you want it. So I've got one more. Let's give this one a shot. How about worldwidedigitalpay.com? Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. Check this out. We can buy worldwidedigitalpay.com today for 1 cent. I'm sorry, for 1 penny. So how exciting is that? So if you want to make it yours, you just simply go to make it yours. It's going to take you to some options in your GoDaddy account. It's going to ask you if you want a professional email. It's going to ask you if you want to move forward and bundle it with a smart starter domain bundle. In this instance, I don't think you really want to do that. You just want to move forward to secure that the domain is actually yours. Once it takes you to the cart, you have the ability over here to buy it 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and 10 years, right? And then they have a full domain protection, which is $11.99. So if you choose to do that, of course, you increase the price of your domain. But I just thought that you would like to see this daily wealth online tips, tools, tricks, and other hacks to show you how to become a successful digital marketer and just learn how to become involved in digital, all things digital, because the world is going digital. And my heart goes out to Gen Xers and baby boomers and everyone who got left behind. I just want to help you to get caught up. Make sure you go to subscribe to this video. Also, if you want that link to GoDaddy with a discounted price, simply go to my Rukatan link in the description, grab that, open it up, and you'll be able to get your GoDaddy bonus. Thanks so much.